Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Togo under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect fit for your online experience while in Togo. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Togo users? They've got the essentials down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info stays safe from snoopers and local surveillance. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN drops, so you never risk exposing your real location or data while browsing in Togo. Plus, all of them have had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your online activity or where you connect from. But the places they differ, that's what really matters for people using VPNs in Togo. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Togo because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy, especially in regions with stricter online monitoring. Another neat feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could carry tracker scams or phishing attacks, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with trusted friends or devices securely, like you're all on the same local network. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your laptop, phone, tablet, and smart devices all at once while in Togo. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software. So any tech-savvy user in Togo can check their code for backdoors or vulnerabilities. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent player. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable and trustworthy connection for you. And for anyone in Togo dealing with slow or unreliable internet, it offers a SOCKS 5 proxy for potentially faster connections by optimizing your routing. Just keep in mind that using the proxy might sacrifice a bit of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Togo? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. That means quicker browsing, smoother streaming, and faster downloads. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests showed its performance varies, with speed and stability changing depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose for Togo? Here's a simple guide. Go with NordVPN if speed and strong security are your top priorities, and you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Choose IPVanish if you have tons of devices or want a more controlled, reliable network with unlimited connections. And finally, pick PIA if you're budget conscious or want a privacy-focused VPN backed by transparency and proven policies. And that's it. We're out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for Togo. See you soon.